Alright everybody, I'm hiding in my car because I never record and I'm very nervous and my neighbors are definitely judging me right now. But let me give everybody an overview of my cars, amongst other things. So this is the Corvette that you all know and love. It's mad at me because I left the keys in there. It's really dirty right now. Not really, I don't even know if you can see on the camera. But she's gorgeous all the time. And I am actually going to go to Adam Polishes today because we're supposed to do something fun that Shane said. And I'm excited to find out what. This is my other vehicle. My Subaru STI. It's also extremely dirty right now because it's been sitting out here for 2 weeks. You can see all the lovely pollen buildup on my hood. But this was my first toy car. I have built it. I've had awesome times with it. I have raced it. And she's beautiful, even though she's really dirty. And then my amazing truck, my F-150. This is actually my most recent car besides the Vette. It's lifted. I actually don't even know how high of a lift is. I'm guessing probably like 6 inches or so, maybe more. But I actually love this truck a ton. And I want to do more off-roading in it, but my buddy has a small Jeep. And all the trails he knows, I can't really go on because, you know, they're small trails. And this thing always gets scratched up. There's a scratch right here from the last trail I was on with my buddy. Anyway, that's the overview. I'm going to be going to Adam's Polishes today and hanging out with him and hopefully getting my beautiful Corvette nice and clean. And then maybe if he's really nice, he'll let me clean this puppy too. Otherwise, I'll just clean it myself. And then I'll show you guys some cool footage of both cars. But I went there and everyone was looking at me like I was an idiot because guess who wasn't there and isn't going to be there like all week long. So I'll probably talk to Shane and maybe try to slide into Mr. Adams' DMs. And we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. Really car. Buddy are gonna go up some roads here shortly right now and try to do some cool stuff for y'all. I don't know how much time we'll have. The sun is going down, but we're gonna do
it. That's it. Okay. Woo! Yes, that was amazing. The smoke of the tires. Ooh. Bye, rubber cloud.
Well, not exactly the best way to end a night. Lucky for us, though, we didn't get a ticket. The cop just gave us a warning, said we were on, government property, and we could basically lose our cars. So that was kind of cool that he just let us go. And next time we'll try not to stick around as long as we did, because that was definitely why we got caught. We were hanging out there for like over 30 minutes, probably. Well, anyway, for the future of this channel, we're probably going to be doing some track stuff with the Corvette, the STI. I think that'll be really cool. I already do that with my STI, but I'm really excited to get out on the track with the Corvette. My truck I've only been off-roading a couple times, and it is really fun, so I would definitely like to keep doing stuff like that. Hopefully I can attend a lot more Cars and Coffee stuff around Colorado, get to know some people. I've already had some people reaching out to me from other YouTube channels, and they want to do a video with me, talk about how I won the giveaway and all that kind of stuff. So that should be pretty exciting. Hopefully I can make some cool connections with people and just get to know the community here in Colorado. Besides all that stuff, the other cool things that I'm interested in is fitness. I used to be a very small, skinny guy, and it took me a pretty long time to get over that, but started hitting the gym consistently, and that is a huge part of my life now. I probably spend about 2 hours a day at the gym, and I love it. It's probably my favorite hobby besides cars. And also besides that, I love gaming. Gaming is also really fun. I don't know if there's any other nerds out there, but me and my sister and a bunch of my family are patiently waiting for World of Warcraft Classic to come out because we want to get addicted to that game once again. Besides that, I'm really open to ideas. I mean, I kind of got really lucky by winning this car, and then it's like getting double lucky because I got all you guys following me and interested in my car and hopefully interested in the other things that I like to do. So definitely comment down below and let me know if you guys have any other ideas for stuff that you'd like to see me do, because I'm really open to ideas. On a closing note, thank you guys so much for watching. I definitely appreciate it, and I look forward to the future of this channel. Bye.